Welcome to LushLoom. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on installing carpet in your home. Whether it's a bedroom, living room, or hallway, this process is beginner-friendly and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you'll have a smooth, professional-looking carpet in no time. Step 1. Gather tools and measure your room. Before starting, make sure you have all the tools ready. Carpet knife, knee kicker, carpet stretcher, tack strips, carpet tape, measuring tape, staple gun. Utility scissors. Next, measure the room carefully. Always add a few extra inches on each side. This helps with trimming and ensures a perfect fit. Cut your carpet according to these measurements. Taking your time here saves a lot of trouble later. Step 2. Prepare the floor. A smooth and clean subfloor is essential. Remove old carpet, nails, or debris. Make sure the floor is dry and level. This step prevents bumps and ensures your carpet sits flat for a professional finish. Step 3. Install tack strips and carpet pad. Place tack strips around the room edges, leaving a small gap from the wall. These hold your carpet securely in place. Next, roll out the carpet padding and staple it down. Trim any extra padding. The padding adds comfort, insulation, and durability, making your carpet feel soft underfoot and last longer. Step 4. Lay and stretch the carpet. Carefully lay the carpet over the room, leaving a bit extra around edges. Use a knee kicker to push the carpet toward the tack strips and smooth out wrinkles. Then, take a carpet stretcher to pull the carpet tight across the floor. Proper stretching prevents sagging and ensures your carpet looks smooth and professional for years. Step 5. Trim, tuck, and inspect. Trim any excess carpet along walls using a carpet knife. Tuck the edges neatly between the tack strip and the wall using a tucking tool or flat screwdriver. Walk around the room and inspect your work. Smooth, tight, and well-fitted. Your carpet is now professionally installed. Outro. Thanks for watching. For premium carpets and expert installation services, visit LushLoom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tutorials.